Hello students, welcome to Lido Learning's question and answer videos. My name is Pallavi and I teach Maths and Science at Lido. Let's have a look at this wonderful question in front of us. That is, give an example to show the conversion of potential energy to kinetic energy when put in use. So we have to show how potential energy is getting converted into kinetic energy. Okay, before we move ahead with the example, let's just define what do we mean by potential energy. So potential energy is stored energy possessed by the body as a result of its position and configuration. It's also equal to force into displacement, right? Okay. What do we mean by kinetic energy? So the kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the body in motion, and this is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is also given as half mv square, where m is mass and v is velocity or speed, let's say, of the body. Understood this part, right? Now let's look at this example. So we have a very happy boy swinging in this swing, right? So there are three cases, as you can see. We will study each of these details. So as you can see in case 1, the boy is at a certain height. Let's say if case 2 is the mean position, that is, this is the general position of the swing, right? This is the general position of the swing. Now we see, that is, let's just draw a line to understand this. So over here, this is the position, mean position of the swing, right? Okay. Now we see that the boy over here at a certain height from the mean position, right? Therefore, there is a certain displacement of the boy. That is, we know that potential energy is force into displacement. And yes, force is also acting here. But in this case, the boy has maximum potential energy, because this is where, if you have ever been into swing, so this is where the swing momentarily stops and then starts going ahead, right? So this is the stored energy, and we have talked about stored energy. Whenever the energy is stored, it is potential energy, right? Therefore, this position has maximum potential energy and zero kinetic energy, because the position over here is stopped. The boy will, after this, will start moving, and then when the boy starts moving from here to here, slowly the potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. That is, the stored energy is now used up when the boy starts moving. The boy is starting to move, and we know that the energy possessed due to motion is kinetic energy. Therefore, here the potential energy starts getting converted into kinetic energy. It keeps on doing till it reaches this position. Again, the mean position. So now there is no potential energy. That is, the potential energy has become zero over here, and there is maximum kinetic energy. Okay, now there is maximum kinetic energy. So I hope you understood the conversion of potential energy to kinetic energy in this case. This may further go on. If the boy keeps on moving ahead, then again this kinetic energy keeps decreasing until he reaches the maximum potential energy. And what is the case over here? Case 3. That is, again he is a certain distance from the mean position. Let me just draw the mean position line again. So this is the mean position, and look, he is at a certain height above the mean position. So there is certain displacement here, right? Therefore, this is again maximum potential energy and zero kinetic energy. So over here, kinetic energy is zero. Over here, potential energy is zero, and again here, kinetic energy is zero. So what happened here? The kinetic energy, the potential energy here got converted slowly into kinetic energy till it reached a maximum. Again, the kinetic energy slowly got converted to potential energy till it reached the maximum, right? I hope you understood the conversion of potential to kinetic energy in this case. If you have any further questions, please post your comments below. Thank you.